Hey guys, today we're going to show you how to change a tire of a unicycle. Once it's for changing a tire, you want to undo some bolts right here on both sides, and that will just be done by using a tool and twisting, and it'll come loose like that, and then do it on both sides of the unicycle. So do it on this side, and there's going to be two on this side too, on the far side. And once you got it loose enough, there should be a bolt that fell out like this. And you want 4 bolts like that, and keep your parts to this side so you don't lose any more.
A good trick to do is to hold your hand underneath when you undo it, and that way that nut falls into your hand and doesn't get lost on the floor.
So after you've done all that twisting, you want to take this piece out and put it to the side where all your other stuff is. And then you're literally just going to pull the tire out like that. After you take the wheel off, then you can take some air out of the tire by using that little thing. And just like stick your pump in and yeah. After you've let some air out of the tire, you're going to use some tire levers to take the tire off, and it'll just come off like that. And for smaller bikes, it'll be a little bit harder, but yeah.
So when you're putting a new tire on, you take your pump and your new inner tube. We're using a new inner tube because the other one had a flat. And we're going to put just a little bit of air in, just like maybe 1.5 pumps. We'll pump the rest of it up later. Then we take this and we insert it into our tire. You want to make sure that the tube goes in all the way and doesn't have any kinks or folds to it. So you want to make sure it goes in nice and evenly. Okay. And then you take it to your tube, and this tire doesn't matter which direction it turns. Some tires have a certain direction they're supposed to roll. This one doesn't. And so we put it in, and I start with the valve going through the hole in the rim, and then I put just one side in. I'm going to get the other side to go onto the rim afterwards. I'm going to get one side all the way around first. If it becomes really hard by hand, I can always use a tire lever to give me a hand.